Hi everyone, today we're going to study stocks. Let us define stocks. Stocks are shares of ownership sold by the companies to increase their financial status. Purchasing stock is a kind of investment with the intention that the value may rise. Stockholders are those who possess stock certificates after purchasing the stock from companies. The stock exchange provides an orderly trading place for stocks. Only stockbrokers are allowed to trade in the exchange. Nowadays, stock trades are made on the internet. Let us consider the following stock quotation to explain each part of it. This is what you will see in the stock exchange bulletin. This is for a 52-week period. The highest and lowest price for the stock during the last 52 weeks is given in the first two columns, high and low. In this case, they are $38.99 and $24.61 respectively. The stock contains the letter ABC. This is the symbol the company uses for trading. This column, DIV, means the dividend amount per share that was paid to shareholders last year. In this case, it was $0.44 per share, or we say 44 cents. If a person owned 100 shares, he will receive a cash dividend. That is, we multiply the number of shares, that is 100, by this $0.44. So the answer is $44. This is the cash dividend. The close was the price of the stock yesterday at the closing time of the stock market. Stock yield, denoted by YLD %, is the annual percentage yield. In this case, it is 1.4%. Stock yield is computed by this formula: annual dividend per share over the closing price per share multiplied by 100. So we have this 0.44 over the 32.45, then multiply by 100. When we simplify this, we will get 1.35, which is equivalent to 1.4. And this is how we compute the stock yield here. The PE column is the price to earnings ratio. It is the ratio of yesterday's closing price of the stock to its annual earnings per share. In relation to this annual earning per share, we have this formula. Closing price per share over the PE ratio. And we can compute this. We will get the values 32.45 over this PE ratio 14, and the answer is $2.32. This is the annual earning per share. The volume per hundreds means the number of shares in hundreds that were traded yesterday. In this case, 18,091 multiplied by 100 equals 1,809,100 shares were traded yesterday. The change is the difference in the price of the stock between the day before yesterday and yesterday at closing time. In this case, the value of the stock decreased by $0.49. In other words, the value of the stock the day before yesterday was the 32.45 minus the change value, that is negative $0.49. So negative and negative becomes positive, and the sum will give us $32.94. This is the price of the stock the day before yesterday. Now, let us see another example with regard to CAMCO stock quotation. Let us answer some questions. Letter A. State the highest price that the CAMCO stock sold for during the last 52 weeks. So our answer is this $48. Letter B. State the lowest price that the CAMCO stock sold for during the last 52 weeks. Our answer is this $36.42. Letter C. State the amount of the dividend per share that the company paid last year. The answer is $0.66. Letter D. If a shareholder is having 100 shares, how much dividends did the shareholder make last year? For our answer, for 100 shares, we will multiply this by this value $0.66. And the answer is $66. This is the cash dividend of the shareholder for 100 shares. Letter E. Find the number of shares traded yesterday. We will look for the column volume and the number of shares traded yesterday. This value here is multiplied by 100. And the answer is 1,611,400. These are the shares traded yesterday. Letter F. What was the closing price of the stock yesterday? The answer is here, $43.54. Letter G. Find the annual earnings per share of the stock. Our answer can be derived using this formula. Annual earning per share equals closing price per share over the PE ratio. So it means we will take this 43.54 over the 22, and the quotient will give us $1.98. Letter H, show how YTD percent, this is the stock yield, was calculated. So we are going to know where this 1.5 came from. Our formula is this. Stock yield equals the fraction, the numerator is dividend per share, over the denominator, closing price per share, times 100. So we will get the values 0.66 over this 43.54 and multiplied by 100. Using our calculator, we can get the value, and that is 1.5. And this is how we get this value here. These are our final answers. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time. Hi, math enthusiasts. I would like to invite you to join us and be a member of e-DEOlogy community. If you become a member, you will help e-DEOlogy YouTube channel to make more math videos and to ease logistics expenses. As a member, here are your perks. All members will receive this beautiful and customized e-DEOlogy Fun Badge. There are 3 levels of membership. The first level is Bronze. Bronze members enjoy 100% of videos, plus Bronze Certified Member Badge that look exactly like this. The second level is Silver. Silver members enjoy 100% of videos, plus you will receive the Silver Certified Member Badge, and it is here. As a Silver member, you are considered to be a sponsor of 3 members-only videos, plus you are a sponsor of 1 public video. This public video means these are merged videos of 3 to 7 math topics. As a sponsor, acknowledgement is given on the latter part of the video, that is, your name or your channel is shown as one of the sponsors. The third level and the highest is Gold. Gold members enjoy 100% of videos. Plus you will receive this Gold Certified Member Badge, and it is here. As a Gold member, you are considered to be a major sponsor of 30 members-only videos, plus major sponsor of 10 public videos. As a major sponsor, acknowledgement is given on the early part of the video, that is, your name or your channel is shown as one of major sponsors. See you all in e-DEOlogy community and get this beautiful e-DEOlogy Fun Badge and be a member according to your interest as a Bronze member, a silver member or a gold member. We love to see you in e-DEOlogy community.